Guys, I'm here now in Samsung Experience Store, and we will have to unpack, actually they call it unpack, the new foldable series of Samsung. The teams are getting ready. The dancers are there. Okay. The cocktails are ready for, you know, pika pika and snacks. Yes. There you go. Amazing. And Moni ang promotor. Your name is?
Heidi.
Miss Heidi. And your contact number for just in case someone or somebody will book you for this. Guys, ayaw jud mo kaulaw kay hindot kay ilang setup. No, your name is and your business
Heidi, The Grazing Table Cebu by Heidi.
The Grazing Table Cebu by Heidi.
Yes, hello.
Contact number
09566487001. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Miss Heidi. Nindot jud kaayo siya. Okay, apart from that, of course, na ay wall for pictures for you to have an experience how nice Samsung prepare an event. Okay, these are the picture wall. Okay, there are 2 soft boxes, 1 professional cameras over here, and these are the great guys who prepare this one for you. Hello. Say hi. Yes, and your business name, sir?
Snap 360.
Contact number.
Contact number is 0917
Okay.
63
Okay.
49640.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Galing. Sobrang galing. Sobrang galing magpa-event ni Samsung. So, these are the things that you will have to expect. These are the biggest LFDs nila, and they have already prepared like, you know, like this. So these devices are covered. Okay, they will have to unravel. They will have to unpack this one later. And yes, these are the team who prepare all this for you for the Galaxy Z Fold. Sir Mark, Sir Dave.
Hi, we're so
Dave.
busy.
And then these are the teams, the FTS from the other regions. Then say hi. They are very busy today.
Sir Dave, unsa ang damiton pagpa-live?
Unsa daw? Okay. These are the sound team. Okay. Ang galing. Sobrang galing. So guys, this is actually happening here in Samsung Experience Store, Ayala Center, Cebu. Yeah. These guys are very busy today because it will actually start exactly 9 o'clock. So unfortunately, this is my first time to host an event. Okay. So since I'm the brand ambassador of Samsung, guys, my gosh, nakmakawalaw sa tate. First time mag-host. And apart from that, these are my team Galaxy, Miss Daisy, yeah. Now busy kaya sila. Miss Amor, Miss Reed. Agoy, maodyang dahilan kung bakit approve among NC. Okay? Magpasupa ta. And si Sir Carl, bahala ng gi-acid. Okay, bahala ng gi-acid. Basta attend gyapon sa party. And of course, and yan. Hello. Dako na katawa, madam. Ma'am Tina, be ready for my announcement. Okay? I will specifically mention you and I will request for you to stand, ha? Be ready with your stool, okay? Dako katawa sa mga animal, eh? So yes, again guys, you guys will be very excited for the watch party, the Galaxy Watch Party, and see you guys later. Bye!
Register from our fundraiser program and get 4K TV worth $135,999. And when you pre-order here, if you're done with the registration, guys, don't forget, as you can see, we have a big wall for you to have a remembrance of our tonight's program, our Galaxy Unpacked Watch Party 2024.
To witness a new era of how we live our life. So please join us tonight and stay with us because there will be a lot of exciting promos. There will be a lot of exciting offers. So please be with us. Thank you so much for being here. Huh? Thank you.
Great Samsung morning, as I always say here. I'm actually also connected here in Samsung. I'm one of the influencers as well. I'm listed to one of the invites as well. But anyhow, I got to do my job. I need to do my job, okay? So yeah, great Samsung morning. Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked Watch Party. And my name is Jason. You can actually call me Good, yes? And I'll be your host for tonight. It's an honor to be in front of everyone, and I know you guys are all excited. But before we officially start the program, we would like to thank Junrex, okay, Miss Kat, Sir Anderson, Christina, yes, for allowing us to hold our Galaxy Unpacked event here in your store. So we would like also to acknowledge the presence of our SEPCOs, okay? SEPCO leaders. Are they here? Okay, no, sorry. So, it's okay, guys, okay. Anyhow, and of course, guys, our special guests, content creators are here. Did sila ni follow sa una pag here. And yes, are you guys excited to unfold the new possibilities with the latest foldable devices from Samsung? I can hear you. Yeah! Perfect. Enough. Say, more. There we go. Now, the moment we've all been waiting has arrived. So we'll now together watch the live global Unpacked.
The Galaxy AI ecosystem in a way only Samsung can. Cross-device intelligence that helps people seamlessly achieve their goals across multiple devices, wherever they are stayed. And even while you sleep, you can live a healthier lifestyle with reframed self-expression. Our 6th generation followers are the ultimate way to experience the Galaxy AI.
Now, our promoters, and experience the new Galaxy Z6 series firsthand. Feel its cutting-edge feature, see its sleek design, and discover how it can enhance your mobile experience. So, ushers, you can now actually roam around and let our guests, influencers, customers feel the newest foldable Galaxy Fold 6 and Galaxy Flip 6. It's smart that, guys. Okay, I know you guys are busy. Come on. Feel it. Right? No one passed the Paris, you know? By creating a video or posting a photo of the new foldables. Okay, that's how it is. For those influencers, how is it? Influencers, how is it? Diba ang galing? Only with Samsung, guys. Only with Samsung. One! Pakisana ko yung QR code para makasali tayo sa ating power.
Ay, naku, karoon po ko naka-vlog. Sorry kayo. Karoon po ko naka-vlog.
The Galaxy AI features that can transform
mag-vlog sa kagabi. Hi guys! Say hi! Hi guys! How was it? How was it? How was it? Hello, Agoy! Nasakpan na yun. Hello po, welcome to Watch Party. Congratulations! I've heard the good news, ma'am. And there you go. Thank you so much. You know what? Samsung Galaxy can make your life more easier. Good. Hi guys. And this amazing people. Mona responsible. Lalo na nindot ato ang kuan. There you go. Maojud na. Maojud na ba? Maojud na. Sir, anong masasabi mo sa juice mo? Sa juice mo ha? Lami ito dayon ka.
Lami, lami.
Okay, mga beautiful Ashlerettes and Miss Jeka.
Okay, more question.
Let's wait, one more. There you go. Salamat. Thanks for attending. And of course, our friends from Leyden, the ever beautiful pregnant women in the Philippines. Undescribable.
Julian Cam Earl is a composer, world film in Saturday. It's composer. Tignan natin kung sino yung mga lirik.
Oh my God! There we go. Salamat sa kayo, sir.
Salamat.
Thank you. Oh my God, you're so tall, Leia, in person. My God. Finally, naka-vlog na siya taon ko.
Ay, vlogger po ka.
Finally, naka-vlog na taon ko. Good luck sa contest mo. Oh my God. Guwapa, wait lang. I-appeal na ko sa kong vlog, ang mga guwapa. Ayaw, ikog. Di ba ikog? Salamat sa pag-attend. How was it? How was your experience?
My experience, I'm honestly shocked because obviously like AI is a big thing and we all have access to AI already, but for it to be so quick and like seamless.
True. You know, I will be very honest. I'm actually working with Samsung. I'm the brand ambassador of Samsung, although also I'm a content creator. Now, I have an idea of this. I have an idea of this like 3 weeks ago. It's just we're not allowed to divulge that information, but you know, seeing when I had my training, seeing the slides and how I felt the phone actually at hand during the training, it's really nice. Nothing beats Samsung. You know what? Honestly speaking, like on the first quarter of the month, like Samsung is the #1 on the first quarter in terms of sales. So I will not gonna lie na mas nindot yun ang Samsung. I don't believe in negative competition, but you know, come on, in terms of sale, let's not.
My phone's broken, so
Any plans?
maybe the next one might
Why
be.
not? The question is why not? Thank you so much. Salamat sa kayo. You know what if I was hi, how was your experience? Oh, very impressed. Diba? How was it? I'm very impressed, especially the gap there. I know, right?
Receive your premium jacket.
Ako, kailan ko ito.
AI. So the opportunity is in your hands to be our vessel to our customer to give the good news about AI. So pre-order that and tell the good news to your friends. Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, mga na siya guys. Salamat. Salamat sa inyo tanan. My gosh. Napay mga food guys. The Koreans in Paris. Come on, picture guys. Let's make memory. Let's make memories.